Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Vite is a modern build tool that focuses on speed and performance. It offers a great developer experience with features like hot module replacement, HMR, and an easy-to-configure setup. In this tutorial, we will create a multi-page application using Vite 2.x, the latest version available as of my knowledge. Cutoff. Setting up a multi-page application with Vite. Prerequisites. 1. Node.js installed, version 12 or above. 2. Basic knowledge of JavaScript and a code editor, like vscode. Step 1. Create a new Vite project. First, you need to create a new Vite project. Open your terminal and run bash npm create Vite at latest my multi-page app template vanilla. This command creates a new directory called my multi-page app and initializes a Vite project using the vanilla JavaScript template. Step 2. Navigate to your project. Change to the newly created directory. Bash cd my multi-page app. Step 3. Install dependencies. Install the necessary project dependencies. Bash npm install. Step 4. Project structure. You will structure your project to support multiple pages. Here's how you can set it up. My multi-page app / index.html, about.html, contact.html, src / main.js, about.js, contact.js, vite.config.js. Step 5. Create HTML files. Create about.html and contact.html in the root directory. Here's an example of how to set up these HTML files. Index.html, HTML, doctype HTML, HTML lang equals n, head, meta charset equals UTF-8, meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0, title home page / title / head, body, h1 welcome to the home page / h1, href equals about.html go to about page / a, href equals contact.html go to contact page / a, script type equals module src equals /src / main.js / script / body /html, about.html, html, doctype html, html lang equals n, head, meta charset equals UTF-8, meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0, title about page / title / head, body, h1 about us / h1, p this is the about page / p, href equals index.html go to home page / a, script type equals module src equals /src / about.js / script / body /html, contact.html, html, doctype html, html lang equals n, head, meta charset equals UTF-8, meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0, title contact page / title / head, body, h1 contact us / h1, p this is the contact page / p, href equals index.html go to home page / a, script type equals module src equals /src / contact.js / script / body /HTML. Step 6, create JavaScript files. Create main.js, about.js, and contact.js in the src directory. src/main.js. JavaScript. Console.log, welcome to the home page. src/about.js. JavaScript. Console.log, welcome to the about page. src/contact.js. JavaScript. Console.log, welcome to the contact page. Step 7, update vite.config.js. You might want to set up your Vite configuration for multi-page applications. Here's a basic setup. JavaScript. Import define config from Vite. Export default define config. Build. Rollup options. Input. Main, index.html. About, about.html. Contact, contact.html. Step 8, run the development server. Now you can run your Vite development server. Bash. npm run dev. You should see output in your terminal indicating the server is running. Open your browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000 to see your home page. Step 9, build for production. When you're ready to build your application for production, run bash npm run build. This command will create a dist folder containing your built application, which you can deploy to a server. Conclusion. You have now created a multi-page application using Vite. This setup allows you to easily scale your application by adding more pages and associated JavaScript files. Vite's fast performance and efficient build process make it an excellent choice for modern web development. Feel free to explore more features of Vite, such as plugins, and integrate frameworks like React, Vue, or Svelte as your application grows.